Good morning students, welcome to challenge series. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from the topic meter bridge, and I have considered this question from the IIT JEE previous paper 2019 paper. Observe this question and read out once. Here in this meter bridge, the condition given is dr by dl proportional to 1 by root L. Here L is this length, or when the balanced point occurs, that is point P, the length between A and P. So dr by dl is proportional to root L given. That means this is wire resistance change with respect to L. That means we need to consider the resistance of the wire here. I am considering this resistance of the wire from point A to P as R1 and P to B as R2. And I am considering that condition dr by dl proportional to 1 by square root L. That means I can write it as dr by dl is equal to some constant into 1 by root L, or we can say dr is equal to C into L to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dl. Observe, this is the expression we got from the given condition in the question. So from this dr, if I integrate like this, both sides I am integrating. This side length, if it is varying from 0 to L, that means this point to this point, I will get this side integral dr as R1. So in the case 1, if we integrate from 0 to L right hand side, we will get left hand side R1. Similarly in case 2, if we integrate from 0 to or L to 1 meter, he has given of course 100 centimeters or 1 meter. So L to 1 meter, if we integrate, we will get R2 resistance. So from this expression we can get R1 and R2 values. From that R1 and R2 values, we need to find what is the length of AP. What is this L value we need to find. For that he has given this expression. So from this expression I am proceeding now. So first case 0 to L, we have to integrate this expression. That means we are getting right side. This is 0 to L integration, constant outside of the integration, and L to the power of minus 1 by 2, it is L to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Left hand side it is R1. So that R1 is equal to, and this is 1 by 2, so 2C and L to the power of plus 1 by 2 or square root L I can say. I am writing like this. R1 value I am getting this much. Similarly R2 value to find, we have to integrate this expression from L to 1. Similarly the R2 left hand side is equal to integration of this expression, C outside of the integration, and this side L to the power of plus 1 by 2 divided by plus 1 by 2 we are getting for integration, and limits are here L to 1 meter. Let us substitute the limits here. So that R2 is equal to 2 into C, and upper limit it is 1 minus lower limit it is L, so that root L I can write. This is the value of R2 I am getting. So R1, R2 values we are getting. We need to find the value of L. For that, two equal resistors are connected in the figure such that the galvanometer has 0 deflection when the jockey is at point P. So anyhow, under the balanced condition, he has given that these two resistors are equal. So the balanced condition I am writing here, that is R dash by R dash should be equal to L divided by 1 minus L. Actually the resistance ratio is also same, so that I am writing R1 by R2 and these two are same means cancels 1, so that this gives R1 is equal to R2. That means if this expression is equal to this expression, then what is the value of L we need to find. So let us equate these two expressions. So this is 2C root L should be equal to R2 value, that is 2C into 1 minus root L. Under this condition, what is the value of L or what is the length of AP is asked. So that 2C gets cancelled. Root L is equal to 1 minus root L. Root L this side, that is 2 root L is equal to 1, or root L is equal to 1 by 2. That implies L value is 1 by 4. In terms of options, it is 0.25 meters. So that I am getting the option A is the right one. Thank you.